Greetings, 4th grade math friends. Mrs. Drum here again for another lesson on fractions. Today we are going to learn how to multiply a whole number by a mixed number. Are you ready? Let's get started. Look at your notes. In order to multiply a whole number by a mixed number, there are a few steps we need to do. First, we need to multiply the whole numbers. Then we need to multiply the whole number and the fraction. Change the improper fraction into a mixed number. Then we need to add the whole numbers. Let's look at the example. We have 2 times 4 and 2/3. Our first step is to multiply the whole numbers. 2 times 4 equals 8. Then we need to multiply the whole number and the fraction. 2 times 2/3 equals 4/3. Then we need to change it to a mixed number. I can pull 3/3 out, which is 1 whole, and then I would have 1/3 left over. So my mixed number is 1 and 1/3. Finally, I need to add the whole numbers. 8 plus 1 and 1/3 is 9 and 1/3. Look at problem 1. Let's go ahead and solve. First, we need to multiply the whole numbers. 5 times 13, which is 15. Then we need to multiply the whole number and the fraction. 5 times 3/6 is 15/6. Next, we need to change the improper fraction into a mixed number by dividing. 6 goes into 15 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. My remainder is 3, so that means that my mixed number is 2 and 3/6. But I can't forget about the big kahuna that was already there. I need to add that on to the mixed number. So now I have 2 plus 15, which is 17, and then I have 3/6. So my answer is 17 and 3/6. Look at problem 2. Multiply the whole numbers and then multiply the whole number by the fraction. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 4/8 is 24/8. Now, change the improper fraction into a mixed number by dividing. Then add the whole numbers but keep the fraction. Pause the video and replay when you are ready. I know that 24 divided by 8 is 3. This is a basic fact, so I don't need to use long division here. Now, I need to add the whole numbers. 30 plus 3, which equals 33. My final answer is 33. Okay, last one. Look at problem 3. Go ahead and solve using the steps we did in the other 2 problems. Pause the video and replay when you are ready. First, I need to multiply the whole numbers. 4 times 3 equals 12. Then I need to multiply the whole number by the fraction. So 4 times 2/8 is going to give me 8/8. I know that 8/8 is equal to 1 whole. So now I need to take that and add it to the big kahuna that was already there. So 1 plus 12 equals 13. My answer is 13. Your assignment is to work on lesson 37, problem set number 2A through D. Then you need to work on lesson 38, problem set number 2A through D. Check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. If you need to make corrections, please do so. Your problem set can go in your Shark folder. Make sure to get the exit ticket. Make sure your name is on it and turn it into the turn-in tray when you are done. Awesome job today. Keep it up. I'll see you next time.